Hi, welcome to Astrology for GAN Traders. My name is Olga Morales. Now, this is really quick. It has to do with picking the lucky time for you to play a lotto ticket according to Jack Gillen's rules. And one of his rules is that every day when the ascendant is conjunct your natal part of fortune is a lucky time for you to buy a ticket. So I'm just going to use WD Gann's chart. You can see that his natal part of fortune is at 9 degrees of Scorpio. So we want to see every day when the ascendant is at that point. So how do we do that? We go to transits, and I've already got it set up here, but I'll show you here. You want to look at transits to radix, which is the transits to the natal chart. In this little box, I've got Gillen Luck, but what I've put in here, when you click on that, you can modify it. You can create your own little file. And in mine, see, what have I got in there? I've just got the ascendant in there. So that's because that's what we want to see, the transiting ascendant every day. The next point is the actual radix. So that's your natal chart. So in this point, we just want the part of fortune. So I've got POF. So if I edit that, see, I've got part of fortune. So I've got only two things that I'm looking at. And I select that. And then for transits, we just want a conjunction. So there's lots of options here. We just want harmonic 1. Harmonic 1 means 360 degrees, which is a conjunction. So select that. So now you're ready. And I've just set it for a month here. Okay. So if I click view, you're going to get a printout like this of the transits every day when the ascendant is going to be conjunct your part of fortune. Again, so every day it changes about four minutes every day, retrograde backwards. That's what it does because of the Earth moving. And so you can see when your lucky time to buy a ticket. There are other rules that Gillen has, and you can get them. All the rules are in my part of fortune tutorial if you want to know more, but this is how you do one of them. So thanks for listening.